my name is Pelumi Adedoja. I hear very funny accent. You've heard people say church before, right? It is either oh or you don't want to say because it sounds funny. And you're wondering where you should stay, whether it should sound funny like they do or probably just sound ordinarily wrong like saying or. Let's learn the right pronunciation of this sound. It is not like church, like some people would say. No, it's not. Just try to master the sound and make it and imitate. That's it. So let the work start. Now this sound right is not no, it is like in purge, merge, learn, pell, church, burn, and world. Now let's use them in sentences. Merge. She merged the classes. Purge. She has been purging all day. Remember, I did say purging all day. Purging all day. Burn. The house is burning. The house is burning. Learn. DictionPro has helped me to learn how to speak English the correct way. Pal. I have found a pal. I just found a pal. World. The world is beautiful. The world is beautiful. Okay, that's it for DictionPro. I'm sure you've learned how to make that sound like this. Not it is yes, like burn, world, the world, and all the different examples we've given. Yeah, just some keys you need to learn and master to sound polished. If you can get a right pronunciation of this sound, it's going to help you a great deal in your journey to sounding polished. My name is Pelumi Adedoja, and I'm sure you can get this right. Just listen to it. It could be more than once. Listen to it as many times as it requires for you to get your pronunciation right. Have for yourself a lovely weekend. Bye. Bye.